Hey, how's it going? Thank you for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be playing with the Colourpop Kathleen Dream Street palette. How beautiful is it? I love these colours. These blues are just screaming to me. I love it. Now I love the Colourpop shadows. I have a few of their palettes. I love the gold in the packaging. How beautiful are those colours? Now I assume that like this one here means this one here and they're not like flipped like some of them are, because that just gets me so confused. Just put whatever's there on the back so it matches. Oh, it's just easier for everybody. Now I do have my base done and my brows. For my brows I used the Colourpop Pencil Mega Brunette and the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. I also did a first impression on the base makeup, so I used the Thin Lizzy New Foundation, Concealer and Mineral Foundation that I used as a powder. So keep an eye out for that video. If it's already up, it'll be linked down below. So I'm going to take Stardust. Just taking this big fluffy brush from Simple Glam Girls, which I'm sure you've seen me use plenty of times. On a smaller blending brush, this is the one from Phoenix Cosmetics, and yes, I did just hit myself in the face. I'm going to be taking a bit of Water Bearer. Now on an even smaller brush, this is the Wet n Wild P10. I'm going to take the shade Moony and put that just on my outer corner. Going back in with that Phoenix brush, I'm going to be a little bit bold and take some of this pinky red called Sweet Dreams and put that in my crease spacing on the outer. Alright, and now I'm going to go into my favourite colour, the green shimmer. It's called Kaleidoscope, and I'm pretty much going to put that all over my lid. I'm also just going to take a bit of this dark blue called Potion and put that on the outer third. Love how dark that goes in the outer corner. Sorry if you can hear that noise outside, it's very annoying. So I'm going to take a bit of this shade here, Spark, and put that mainly in the middle of my eye to make it pop. The outer corner into where that dark blue shade is. I love those colours. Before I finish the eyes, I'm just going to move on to the rest of the face and we'll come back and pull everything together. So I'm going to be starting with bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade 1 Sunshine, using this Aurora Techniques brush. Ooh, that smells yummy. Just going in with a bit of contour. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Sculpt Contouring Palette. This is the light version. Just a really light contour today. That's always the plan, and then it's like... For blush, we're going to be taking the LA Girl Just Blushing Blush in the shade Just Radiant. I really like these blushes, the formula is great. Taking a Wet n Wild brush. And for highlight we're going to be using the Cindy Luminizer by The Balm. Going back into the Dream Street palette, I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades, Stardust and Water Bearer, and smoke my lower lash line. I'm also going to take a bit of that dark shadow Moony and put that right on the outer corner. Taking some more of that shimmery green and just bringing that on the inner part of my lower lash. Now I'm just going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. I'm going to take Lucky Clover and use that on my inner corner. I'm just going to take a little bit of that as well and put that just in the tip of my brow bone. Now for mascara, I'm so excited to use this today. It's the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. The packaging is just so bomb. Not normally the wand that I like big fluffy ones, but the result this gives don't matter. So that's one coat of Bad Gal Bang. No curling my lashes. Actually one coat. Guys, it's amazing. You really need to pick it up. And to pull this look together, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lip in the shade In Demand. These are so comfortable to wear. I think I was wanting something a little bit nudier, so I'm going to pop over top Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar. They sound like mint. Oh, mint chocolate, amazing. My favorite. And I'm just going to pat this. And there you have it. That is the completed look using the Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette. It has such amazing colours. I will have all the products I used today listed down below in case you want to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It'll be the first link down below. And I'll see you in my next video.